Welcome friends, today we shall learn to draw a ear from side view. First we need to draw construction lines, one straight vertical line and one slanting line. Angle between these two lines should be almost 15 degree. Now we need to draw an ellipse or oval shape beside the slanted line, and this shape will be the basic structure of the ear. The distance from the slanted line to the larger side of the ellipse is the width of the ear, and the height should be 1.5 times of the width of the ear. Now we will draw the shape of the ear. First, the helix part. And helices crus. It will look like a hook or the upper part of the question mark. Then tragus. The curve will go down and will then go up for antitragus, and then another smaller hook shape for antihelix. The lower part of the ear is called lobule. Now you will erase the construction lines. Now see, some portions of the ear will go down like concave lens, and some parts will look like convex lens. The upper portion of the antihelix will look like English letter Y. This Y shape's upper portion will be bigger, and it is called superior crus. The lower portion is thinner, and it is called inferior crus. And the middle of these two crus is triangular fossa. If light is coming from upper left side of the helix will cast shadow on fossa and crus. Now we will use HB pencil to make it dark. Concha cavum and concha cymba will be darker. We can make it dark later. The ear canal is behind the tragus. We can see the little portion of the ear canal. casted shadow of entire ear to make it pop. Using 4B pencil we can make it even darker. Then we need to blend the graphite strokes. You can keep the hatching marks if you want, but here I am showing the blending method. We can blend with blending stump or a soft tissue paper. And we need to blend it carefully. Using 6B pencil, make these portions, darker portion even darker. Then with a kneaded eraser or a Tombow mono eraser or any hard eraser, we will remove some graphite from those portions which can reflect the highlight. On the helix we can show some reflected light that will create the distinction between the ear and the casted shadow and will make it pop. Congratulations, we have learned to draw the ear from side view. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe, and please press the bell icon also to get the notifications of new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.